Kung inaakala nyo na very picture perfect and Instagrammable lahat ng nagpupunta sa driving range para mag-golf, mapa virtual man yan o hindi, nako, nagkakamali kayo. At para sa mga sumubok na nito na puro epic fail ang shots, huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Tinry namin itong simulator driving range nung nasa Baguio City kami. Located yan sa may 3rd floor ng Portavaga sa may Session Road. Ito yung mga rates nila, and then meron ding cafe on the inside, although puro drinks lang yung available nung nagpunta kami.
While they're sucking so bad. Tsaa-tsaa lang, tsaka coffee. I love it. Ooh, it's also good.
At habang nasa stress sila dyan, tawa pa ako ng tawa kasi nakatapat kami sa CCTV, so recorded lahat ng mintis shots nila.
Did you expect to be good? You're not. And I'm not supportive. I'm just here to laugh about it.